Removing a PCIe card. Shut down the impaired controller. Refer to the education course for the procedure. Remove the controller module. Refer to the video titled Removing the Controller Module for the procedure. Open the air duct. Press the locking tabs on the sides of the air duct in toward the middle of the controller module. Slide the air duct toward the back of the controller module and then rotate it upward to its completely open position. Remove any SFP or QSFP modules that might be in the PCIe cards. Rotate the riser locking latch on the left side of the riser up and toward the air duct. The riser will rise up slightly from the controller module. Lift the riser straight up and set it aside on a stable, flat surface. Remove the PCIe card from the riser. Turn the riser so that you can access the PCIe card. Press the locking bracket on the side of the PCIe riser and then rotate it to the open position. For risers 2 and 3 only, swing the side panel up. Remove the PCIe card from the riser by gently pushing up on the bracket and lifting the card straight out of the socket.